Whitby is a town located in the regional municipality of Durham in Ontario, Canada. It is situated on the northern shore of Lake Ontario and is part of the Greater Toronto Area. The town has a rich history, with its origins dating back to the early 19th century. Over the years, it has evolved from a small agricultural community into a thriving urban center. Whitby's economy is diverse, featuring a mix of manufacturing, healthcare, education, and other industries. It serves as the home to several corporate headquarters, contributing to its economic vibrancy. In terms of education, Whitby has a variety of schools, both public and private, catering to the educational needs of its residents. Additionally, post-secondary education is available nearby, with institutions like Durham College and the Ontario Tech University. For recreation and culture, Whitby offers a range of activities, including parks, sports facilities, and cultural events. The waterfront area is particularly popular, boasting parks, trails, and scenic views of Lake Ontario. Transportation in and around Whitby is facilitated by major roadways, including Highway 401. The town is also served by public transit, including buses. Whitby is governed by a municipal council and is part of the larger regional municipality of Durham. The town features historical landmarks, parks, and attractions. Notable places include the Whitby Centennial Building, Station Gallery, and Lynn Shores Conservation Area. Oshawa is a city located in Ontario, Canada. It's part of the Greater Toronto Area and is about 60 kilometers east of downtown Toronto. Oshawa has a rich industrial history, particularly in the automotive industry, with General Motors having a significant presence in the city. Apart from its industrial side, Oshawa also offers cultural and recreational amenities. You'll find parks, museums, and even the Canadian Automotive Museum to explore. It's a city with a mix of urban and suburban vibes, offering a bit of everything for its residents and visitors.